Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. In this video, I am going to talk about on the anatomy and naming of the tarsal bone. So I will discuss two mnemonic. One will help to memorize the naming and anatomy, and the other will help to memorize the naming of the tarsal bone. The first mnemonic you can see over here is the tails cover navicular and navicular covers cuneiform. But before discussing the mnemonic, I am going to talk about on the names of the tarsal bone. You can see over here, this is the talus bone. And you can see over here, this is the navicular bone. The tarsal bone are 7 in number. And you can see over here, these are the cuneiform bone. But the cuneiform bone are further divided into 3 on the basis of location. One is the medial cuneiform. This is the medial cuneiform. This is the intermediate cuneiform, while this is the lateral cuneiform. And you can see over here, this is the cuboid bone, and this is the calcaneus bone, which is the largest and the lateral one bone. So you can see over here 7 tarsal bones. You can see over here, the one is the talus, the one is the navicular, and the three are the cuneiform, and one is the calcaneus, the other is cuboid. So these are 7 in number. And I'm going to discuss the mnemonic and the mnemonic for memorizing the anatomy and the names of the tarsal bone. You can see over here, this is the mnemonic. The mnemonic telling us that talus covers navicular while navicular covers cuneiform. So the mnemonic will help to memorize the names of the bone and the anatomy of the bone. You can see over here the T cover navicular, talus covers navicular. These two are the names of the bone. So the talus you can see over here, this is the talus, it articulated here with the navicular bone, and this is the navicular bone. While navicular cover cuneiform, you can see over here, this is the navicular bone, and this is articulated here with the cuneiform bone. So this actually help to memorize both the anatomy and names of the tarsal bone. And you can see over here, this is the talus, and the talus have T in their name, while the tibia also have T in their name. So you can see this will help to memorize that the talus is articulated with the talus is articulated with the tibia. So this was one mnemonic. Now the other mnemonic you can see over here. This is the another mnemonic. The circus need more interesting little clones. So first is help to memorize the talus bone, while the C here help to memorize the calcaneus, while the N here will help to memorize the navicular bone, while the M will help to memorize the medial cuneiform, and the I will help to memorize the intermediate cuneiform, and the L and the later will help to memorize the lateral cuneiform, while the C will help to memorize the cuboid bone. So this was the another mnemonic for memorizing the tarsal bones. Views of the tarsal bones you can see over here. These two are the other views of the tarsal bone. You can see over here, this is the lateral view of the tarsal bone. Another picture, this is the superior view, you can see over here, and this is the lateral view. So this was all about on that video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share.